Given the mean of 25 observations is 36, if the mean of the first 13 observations is 32 and that of the last 13 observations is 39. So you have totally 25 observations. So it's like first, second, third, fourth and so on. So we have 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th and so on. It goes till 23rd, 24th, 25th. So this is how you have the 25 observations. So for all the 25 observations, the mean or the average is 36. The first 13 of them, it's going to be 32. First 13 is from 1st to 13th. This is going to be, the mean is going to be 32. Okay, fine. And the last 13 is going to be 39. Last 13, what do you mean by the last 13? Last 13 is, you remove the first 12 from 13th to 25th. So this part, the mean is going to be 39. So if this is the case, then the 13th observation is what? So we are supposed to find this 13th observation. If you see this, the 13th observation is getting overlapped. So it's there in the first 13 as well as the last 13. It's in the middle. So the 13th observation, how can it be obtained? Observation is simply nothing but, you will take this total, add it with this total. So total of the first 13 plus total of the last 13. So first 13 total. So I can write as total of first 13 plus total of last 13. If I add it, what do you get? You'll be getting everything counted for one time, but the 13th one alone counted for twice, because this 13th observation is there in this list as well as this list. That means it's double counted. Now from this, if we subtract the total of all 25, the total of all 25 observations, we would get the answer. Because once we do this, everything gets subtracted once. For the reason 13th is double counted, once it is subtracted, you will be left with one more 13th. That will give the answer. So this is going to be basically total of first 13. Total of first 13 is 13 into 32. Last 13 is 13 into 39, because total is number into average. Simple. Number of observations into average. So 13 into 32, 13 into 39 minus all 25. So 25 into 36. So this is basically 13 into, both of them are 13. 13 into 32 plus 39 will be 71, right? Because you can add it. So this, when you add, you get 11, 7, 71 minus 25 into 36. So 13 into 71 is basically 710 plus so 710 plus 71 3s are 71 10s are 710, 71 3s are will give us 7 3s are 71 3s are, right? So 71 3s are, it's basically, so it's going to be 3 and then 21. So we get this to be 329. So 923 minus, this is 25 36 are. 25 36 are is basically 50 into 18 or 100 into 9, 900. So 923 minus 900 is finally 23. That means this 13th observation is 23, or is 23. Option B. 23 should be the right answer. We'll quickly check this. Yes, we are right. Option B. 23 is the right answer.